Which paper is this one? Okay. 2020 GC paper 2 biology. All right. We get to work. Figure 1.0 shows a plant cell. Wow. They have even told you that this is a plant cell. So if we look at the structures given, we have structure A, structure C, structure B. Name the parts labeled A, B, and C. Let me just use a plain paper here. So we have, this is A1. We have A, B, and C. Structure, or the part labeled A is vacuole. Vacuole. This is the part of a cell which stores cell sap. Cell sap constituting sugar and salt solutions. So move on to B. B is the nucleus. Nucleus, which controls all cell activities and also stores genetic information. When we critically look at C, C is pointing at the cell membrane, the selectively permeable membrane, which is able to control the entry and the exit of substances into and out of the cell. We go to A2, name the organ in a plant in which figure 1.0 is found, and you also give a reason. Organ of plant and the reason. You look at it critically, you are going to observe that chloroplasts are too many. So this cell should come from a leaf. So you say A2, the answer organ of a plant will be a leaf. Then reason will be presence of chloroplasts. Or you can say presence of many chloroplasts. The other question, describe two adaptations of the cell in figure 1.0 which enable it to carry out its functions. So the first one is the same reason here. This is B. Adaptation number 1. Adaptations number 1, we can say presence of too many. Presence of too many chloroplasts. Two and many. Presence of many chloroplasts. Number 2, the other adaptation I think is the rectangular shape. So you say rectangular shape, which increases the surface area. What's the other question? Explain what would happen to the cell in figure 1.0 above if it was placed in a test tube containing distilled water. Distilled water falls under pure water. So what will happen is that when you put a plant cell in it, the plant cell should start gaining water. So you say the plant cell will gain water by osmosis, and become turgid. Thank you very much for your attention.